Hackera Top 5 Best Hacking and Security News Websites. This series is not about uh, product marketing or product promotion, and basically it's not a promotion. This is my views that what I was learning from the past 15 years, what I have learned, and what is best for you and best for me. So this 5 website I have selected for students, entrepreneurs, bug bounty hunters, ethical hackers, security researchers, everyone. They can follow this website. I think already they knows about this website, but they are newcomers in our field. They are newcomers. Every time there is newbies, so they are learning something new. So the video is about the best hacking and security news website. Why you need to read hacking and security news website daily is because for your own safety, and is because to learn something new every day. The website which I'm going to share in this video is not only about hacking or security related. It's something new, and I love those websites. From past few years I'm reading those websites daily. So the first website I have selected, that's our Indian website. The guy who made, uh, his name is Mohit Kumar, the hackernews.com. Why I like this website? When I woke up in the morning, first I will go and open this Twitter, that what's new, what they are sharing. Because every time when logged in, or when even I'm browsing on my Facebook, I can read those articles. But the first thing when I woke up, I check only the hacker news, because it's beautiful. They share everything in a unique way. Few days back they have shared this article. I love those articles. Android phone can get hacked just by looking at the PNG. Even other website, they don't even know that this bug or this RCE exploit exists in dark market or somewhere, but they have shared, and they have put the eyes in every security website. I like that. And the second thing why I liked it, because look at the followers. Whoa, it's nice. And they have huge market on a Facebook. They have huge followers on Facebook, and everyone love those articles. Sometimes they share videos, and even they provide training for the students. I like that. And the second website I like, Hackera. Sorry, my browser. Hackera. Oh, red. uh, the guy who made this website, his name is Vakas. uh, he's my good friend, and I like this website because they also share the unique content, and sometimes they share videos, sometimes they share exploits also. And most important, I like the way they design the website. Red. It feels like blood everywhere, but it's nice. I like that idea. Even I also use the same CMS, but I can put everything on a red, so no problem. And they also share the how-to articles, that how to do market online stores, the tips for online business, secure from hackers. So many things they will share. And the third website, which I like, GB Hackers. Hmm, this website. Some websites are red, some websites are blue. This website in green. Not green. I don't think, what color is it? I think light green or something. And the best thing why I like this website, not because of articles, because of this thing. There is a one operating system called Kali Linux. Every ethical hackers and every entrepreneurs, sorry, not entrepreneurs, the security technopreneurs who have knowledge about ethical hacking and exploit developing, they use that operating system. So they have made a complete series for that Kali, the Kali Linux. I will share the link here. I think few newcomers who don't know, so they can download from this website. It's easy. There are so many tutorials are available on YouTube that how to install on your PC or on virtual machine, no problem. And this website, I don't know this guy where these guys are from, but I like reading the articles. They have huge followers, nice, and sometimes they share good tutorials. And They provide a complete information about hacking, security, technology. Even they sometimes they provide technology news also. uh, they link some other website here. I think the both websites are same. Okay. And the fourth website is called Y Combinator. Everyone love this website. It's not about hacking, it's not about business, it's not about marketing. It's This website is for everyone. They put the name Hacker News, but sometimes we get some other tutors. They like the fifth article. They shows Brave privacy browser has a backdoor to remotely inject header in HTTP request. That's a nice information. I will read that after I complete the video. And artificial intelligence and art of the Mario Klingman. Nice thing. And they also share some other things like how to convert a free user to the premium user. So many things are there, but sometimes they also share the technology news. Sometimes, okay, website. Okay, I will check this later. And see, you can get so many things here. And the one thing is clear here: the Y Combinator, they won't post anything from their website. The other people like you, like me, the entrepreneurs, the technopreneurs, the ethical hackers, they can post their article or their website in the Y Combinator if you have the good rank and if they allow to do that. Even I have done last 3 or 4 years back. Okay, the second thing is the 8.042 LTS released. Okay, nice thing. So I will get the information like this, like technology, ethical hacking. So many people ask me on my Facebook that how you got this article, from where you getting this article. You search on the Google. No, dude, I am not going to search this kind of article on Google. How can I search an article like in Google that you found something like that? So I follow this website. And the second thing I just now have seen, Google terminated our businesses via Google Play account. US journal. Okay, I will check all these articles. This is the C. When I open the website, I have just opened 2 or 3 articles. It's good for knowledge. That's why I'm sharing this video with everyone. You people, you students can learn and you can gain knowledge from this website. And the last website is resources.infosecinstitute.com. It's an institute. They are running an institute, but they have one column called blogs. They put We call it blogs, but they put name resources. You know why I put this website on last fifth? It's not like a ranks. It's like the best 5 website which I have found on internet, and I follow this website from long years. So I will show you one article here. The topics are uh, I will go to direct hacking and hack the box machine walkthrough series. No, thank you. One machine walkthrough. Wait. The article. Yeah, this article. The RC flaws. The flaw in Apache strut could be root cause of clamorous hacks. Nice thing. So see here, I'm getting so much information from this website. Even few people who don't even know this website are exist before, and they are following some copy paste website that script kiddies websites. So you can follow this website. You can gain your knowledge. You can increase your knowledge. This is I want to share with you all people. So these are the few websites which I like very much, and there is a one more website which I would like to share. It's like a normal, but called dark reading. This is not like hacking related. It's completely for security. They won't provide how to hack some mobile app. They won't provide how to do some injection on website, but they provide a complete security information. Okay, the 6 reasons you to be wary of the encryption in your enterprise. Okay, how IT security teams can use machine learning to improve data defense. This is a nice article. You need to read this article. You need to put this thing in your brain so you can learn so many things. Okay, guys, these are the few websites which I like and which I am following. This is not like I don't want anyone to just follow what I follow. You can also share uh, your links and your URL so I can put in another video. I will make another series for this thing. But for me, for everyone, the newcomers, even who don't know anything about this website, they can follow this website